There's a new guy. His name CACTUS. And today we're going to the horse.
Where are you? Where are you now?
Here.
In Cincy.
And look at there. Look at the hill. So far away. And we're going to the horse. Be careful, don't drop your camera. Don't drop yourself.
It's okay. It's okay. Nagtak siya kalit.
It's okay. Today you're going uphill. And look at those turkey. And also the turkey. When you say I want to say that. Turkey! Like that. Just say that. Thank you, turkey. Thank you, turkey. And then we're going uphill.
This is exercise for you guys. Sergi is going so fast. No running lang.
Guys, can you wait for me? It will not be good if we pass here.
Here. Here lang, Kal.
I'm not pass here. I'm not meet you. Now, you don't get to go. Wow, guys. Where are we going? Not there.
Not there, kuya. Look, kuya. Come here, Serge. Kal. Enjoy the view first.
I'll go without us. Go. Where's Mommy? Mommy's coming.
Dragon fruits.
Dragon? Where?
Kal, go na sa horse, Kal. Yeah, go na, go.
Here?
Yeah,
Okay.
but do not go inside the cage, ha?
Mommy, me.
You hold your brother. Here, hold me. Do not hold your brother lang. You go by yourself. Go.
Time is finally just got there. Now, go to war.
Hi, Charlie. Look, there's also Mother Mary. Say hello to Mother Mary.
Hi. Oh, he's smelling us. Oh no,
Carl, no, Carl. Go down.
The eyes will be Hi. Oh, do you know that his teeth is strawberry yellow? Okay.
You-
We need to feed. He's hungry.
Charlie. Okay, say goodbye na to Charlie.
Bye. Bye, Char. Bye, Char. I will call you. But it will be.
Bye-bye, Charlie.
Here's the farm animals. This is the chickens. That's one? No, they're dangerous. You might find an egg.
They will lay eggs.
Look, can you get it? Okay, there's the egg. No. Okay, the chicken is trying to get you. See the big one.
Okay, go.
He's coming. Oh, he's going the other way.
Oh, do not hold that one, Serge. Okay. Do not hold that one. So when you clap, they will. What animal is that? That's a duck, chicken, and a turkey.
Where's the duck? There is a duck. The duck and chicken and turkey is mixed together.
Yeah. And where will they lay eggs?
The baby? There.
In the nest, right there.
So when you go here, it'll bite you. Can I go inside, Tita? No.
We don't have the key.
You can just drive and go.
Are you having fun, guys?
Yeah.
Thumbs up if you're having fun. How about you, Serge?
Turns up.
Oh, there.
When you escape.
Turkey or pabu. In Bisaya, kuya, we call it pabu. Say pabu, kuya.
Babu.
Pabu.
Babu. Come on, be careful. Sir.
And duck in Bisaya, kuya, is itik. Say itik.
Itik.
Itik. Chicken in Bisaya, kuya, is manok. Manok.
We never saw that. We never saw that. Oh.
It's time to go home na.
Thank you guys for watching my video. Want to watch some more MJ and Sergi? Good to just watch MJ and Sergi. Thank you to watching our video about farm animals. And thank you. And
Carl?
thank you to watch me and Sergi and Kakal's video. Bye everyone. Bye bye. Bye. Bye bye everyone. Bye bye. Bye.
Boom, boom, boom. Kal. Boom, boom, boom.
Duck! Duck!
Duck.
Ducky! Pick up, Billy, bop, bop. Look at me, look at me. Bop, bop. Bop, 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 bop. Look at me. Look at me. Hurry,